Hello friends and welcome back to another video. As you guys know that in the previous video I have shown you how to detect collisions and how to destroy an object on collision. In this video I am going to show you how to add score and how to increase the score whenever I will destroy a ball. But first of all, let's change the background of our game. I will head into main camera and I will select solid color, and here I will select light blue color. Now after that I will add score, and for that I have to create a C# script. I will name it score script. You can give it any name. Now after naming the script you have to open it. Now as we are dealing with UIs, so I will write here using Unity Engine.UI. And here I have to write public static int score value, a semicolon, and then I will write here text score, again a semicolon, and here in the void start method I have to write score equals get component greater than and lesser than sign, and then an empty parenthesis. Now in between these signs I have to write text. And here in the void update method you have to write score.text equals score colon plus score value, again a semicolon. So here it is, our score is created now, but now we have to write some code that will increase the score. And for that let's move back to destroy collision script that we have created in the previous video. And in the if statement, in the curly brackets you have to write score script dot score value plus equals to, let's say, 1. Now here we are referencing the score value from the score script that we have just created. So that means whenever I will hit an object that is tagged food, my score will increase to 1. Now let's save the scripts and move back to Unity. Now after that you have to create text, and after that you have to reposition it as you want. Now I have changed the position, font and the size of the text. And after that you have to drag the script that we have just created to the text and play the game. Here you guys can see score colon appears. This is the same as I have written in my score script in the double quotation marks. That means whatever I will write here in the double quotation marks will appear in the text. Let's play the game now. And you guys can see here that whenever my player hits the red ball and destroys it, my score increases by 1. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.